Hi, 皆さん。いらっしゃい. Welcome. This time we are looking at how to describe someone's physical looks, including telling people that they have big eyes, long hair, or small hands. Firstly, let's look at the word order. In English, we would say Tomoko has big eyes. But in Japanese, the word order would be Tomoko. As for Tomoko, her eyes are big. And we simply fill the gap with appropriate particles. So Tomoko, being the person we're talking about, would take on the what topic marker. And when we're describing someone's physical looks, describing their body parts or their dresses or their clothing, we will actually use the ga marker. It's the subject marker. So if you think about topic marker and subject marker this way, in essence, topic marker is the big picture you're talking about, topic. And if the big picture you're talking about is a person, then we're trying to describe the second layer down is the subject matters, okay? Subject matters. So, for example, this could be hobbies, okay, likes and dislikes. So, food that she likes, or it can be the clothes that she wears, it can be the hair, the body parts. Then, the subject, the second tier thing we're trying to describe would be the subject. And therefore, we use the ga marker. Be very careful. In Japanese, subject is very different to the English grammatical term subject. Now, before we start describing how someone looks like, let's look at some words we need. And in essence, it's basically body parts. Now, there are some words in your course book that will have the body parts, but I'm going to talk about the ones they don't have. For example, the word atama. Atama is head, okay? And another one would be set. Set refers to someone's back. And some people call it senaka as well. Now, in your course book, 7 page, you will find this essential kanji. Let's go with the stroke order. And please trace as we speak as well. First one. 口 mouth 1、2、3 1、2、3口 Next eye 1、2、3、4、5 1、2、3、4、5目 for eyes. Next 耳 is ears 1、2、3、4、5、6 1、2、3、4、5、6耳 Next is hand 1、2、3、4 1、2、3、4 for hand. Last one. Rice field is not part of our body part, but when you combine body parts with the ta, you can come up with a lot of very popular family names in Japan. So rice field, ta 1、2、3、4、5 1、2、3、4、5 for ta. So make sure you have a read of the combination of words. For example, te, hand with gami. Gami comes from the word kami, which is paper. So hand paper, it's paper you have to hand write things on and it becomes a letter. Now, when you combine two kanji together, for example, rice field with mouth, okay, which means the entrance to the rice field. Notice that kuchi actually takes on a ten-ten. So takuchi is takuchi. Similarly with Honda, okay, Honda, the ta, the ten-ten as well. Now, equipped with the vocabs, let's look at how we can describe people. This page is taken from your course book, 6 page. Now, these are more body parts for you to learn. However, remember, when you describe someone has long legs, short hair, big eyes, small ears, big mouth, a very small nose, or a big hand, the word order is very different. Okay, the word order. So the body part, once again, takes on the subject marker. 足が長い。足が長い. Someone has long legs. So put it together. Let's use this person, マサルくん。マサルくんは足が長いです。マサルくん has long legs. How about マサルくん has short hair? That's right. マサルくんは髪が短いです。Now, you will notice that there are a few words here, 背が高い and 背が低い. In fact, it is actually a division of a few vocabs already. 背 on means someone's back. In Japanese, when you say someone is tall or short, we have to literally say that someone has a tall back or short or very low back. So 高い means tall or high, and 低い means very low when you talk about low tides and things like that. Okay? So therefore, 背が高い who has a high back, 背が高い tall, 背が低い short. Now equipped with this basic knowledge, I would like you to have a go at workbook pages 6 to 10, task H to task S. With task T and U, we will not do this time. じゃあね、さよなら。